In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do photo manipulation. Magic Portal in Canva will build a glowing sci-fi portal inside your photo using only Canva, and along the way, I'll share a few practical tips to make the effect pop. Start in Canva by opening a template that matches your final format, social post, presentation slide, or a custom size. A blank canvas works great. Head to the Uploads panel and bring in your main photo. This will be your background scene, so drag it onto the canvas and resize it to fill the page edge to edge. If you're using a portrait or landscape image, keep an eye on the crop so key details aren't cut off. Next, go to Elements and open the Frames section. Choose a circle frame. This will be the opening of our portal. Place the circle where you want the portal to appear. Slightly off-center often looks more dynamic, and resize it to a comfortable scale relative to your subject. Now insert your second image, the one that should appear inside the portal as an alternate world. Drag it directly into the circle frame so it snaps in. Double-click inside the frame to adjust the image position, and enlarge it until the perspective feels intentional. You're aiming for a distinct environment inside the circle. When it looks right, click Done. It's time for the glow. Back in Elements, search for Neon Portal. Click See All to explore the options, then add a portal graphic with a transparent center. Place it over the circle frame and carefully align it. Resize the neon ring so it matches the frame's diameter exactly. If alignment feels tricky, zoom in and use the arrow keys for pixel-precise adjustments. This overlay creates the luminous rim that sells the effect. Select your background photo and click Edit, then Adjust. Lower the brightness slightly and raise the contrast. This adds mood and helps the neon stand out. Make small, deliberate changes. Subtle shifts often look more realistic than dramatic ones. Duplicate the background image to prepare a clean subject cutout. With the duplicate selected, set its contrast to 0 to flatten the tones, which can help the next tool perform better. Then open BG Remover. Canva will isolate the subject from that duplicate. This step sets you up to introduce depth. Think of it as the piece that can overlap the neon ring, so your subject looks like it's emerging through the portal. That's the full build. With high-resolution photos, careful alignment, and thoughtful adjustments, you'll get a convincing Magic Portal effect entirely in Canva.